darn best Creedence Clearwater tribute band you're ever going to hear. Ladies and gentlemen from Chicago, give it up for the Fortunate Sons.
Close to Fogerty, how close to the C.C.R. can you guys get? Third song, I'm wowed. I'm blown absolutely out of my chair. I thought this is as close to C.C.R. as I've ever been to them, and they just did a fantastic job.
I love C.C.R. and honestly, I never would have guessed that somebody that young could bring such a full, awesome sound. Yeah, so unique. It was great.
A group in front of us dancing around and everything, and yeah, it was fun, a lot of fun. If I could wrap it up with one word, that would be it.
Great energy. I loved every second of it. Everybody else was out here clapping. It was a great time.
know, for guys of their age to be hooking up with CCR was really freaking cool. They really felt it. It was a good time.
Great show. I'd come back every time, every year. Had a blast.
I will be back. Yeah, for sure. We'll definitely check them out again. Mm-hmm.
You got to see these guys. You got to see these guys. Come, experience it, and you're going to be blown away, like I was. You got to see it to believe it.